Yo guys, so as I was saying, this is another episode of the $100 to $10,000. This is the part 6 of the video. Okay, so let me sell before I explain. Okay, so I will sell gold. Okay, this is what we have. So why am I selling gold? We have a selling pressure on this trend line. Okay, we have a selling pressure on this trend line, which make the third touch. Okay, so this was the first touch, second touch, and then the third touch here, and there are some entry criteria that has been met. Okay, now let me take off all those old things. Entry criteria which has been made for the selling opportunity. Okay, so as you can see, to this zone here is going to be break. This particular zone here will be break. Okay, so don't panic of anything. I even send a signal to the Telegram group, free Telegram group. If you want to join, the link is under the video description. You can join. Here is it, right here. You can join and then be receiving free signals from me. So let's wait to see how this trade will go. Yo guys, so you can see we are moving into massive profit right here. You can see clearly how this is playing out. Okay guys, this is a nice opportunity for you to learn how to trade the forex market. Okay, so if that is what you want, just go and get the PDF or send me a direct message that you want to learn. Okay, remember it's at a cost. Okay, so you can come and join our mentorship right away. Let's see how this trade will play out in our direction. More opportunity coming. We even have a retracement trend on this level, so let's quickly wait and see if we reach this trend. Guys, let's keep patient. Guys, so this is what we are having right now. I'm going to close most of the positions right here. Guys, we are marching into massive profit. Take profit, one hit on our Telegram channel. Let's check on that. Okay, TP1 is 26.40.50. Let's go and check the current price, 26.39. So that is it. So let's update them. TP1 hit successfully. Okay, let's add some emoji. Good, so that is it. So let's go back and close some positions right here. Let's close some positions and leave some. Okay, so this is for today. If any setup show, we'll add more position again. Okay, good. Let's add, let's close. This is the best way to trade. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let's leave 5 positions open, guys. Let's leave 5 positions open. Good. So this is what we have right here, guys. Yo guys, so we found another opportunity on Euro USD. Okay, so I want to pick a trade on this and even on GBP USD, but that one moved away from us. I sent all this signal into the Telegram channel. If you are not there, you can see this is the GBP USD. Okay, this is Euro USD. I just sent this one now. So let's go to Euro USD and pick that particular trade. Okay, so we go to Euro USD and then we pick the buy trade quickly. Okay, we pick the buy trade quickly. One. Good. So we pick 7 opportunities here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Good. That is okay for now for Euro USD, and we started pushing into profit. For GBP USD, the gold wasn't pushing up like that, so I wanted to do the best risk management, so I left that trade, and right now it's moved already into profit. going to hit TP1. Okay, but we also have Euro USD buy here. Let me explain this trade quickly. Okay, so when you look at Euro USD form a head and shoulder. Let's go to 4 hours to see it clearly. Okay, good. So this is the first shoulder, this is the head, and this is the next shoulder, which is pushing up. Okay, and this is a channel which has been broken. You can see the channel, these two trend here, these two trends. This is the first trend line, and this is the second one, which form a channel which has been broken. Okay, so we are expecting a buying opportunity that we just entered. Okay, so let's keep waiting to see how this trade mash up into our direction, guys. As you can see, we are mashing into massive profit. So I'm going to close all gold trade because we saw another opportunity. I send a signal to the Telegram channel, so I'm closing all gold position, leaving the Euro USD. Okay, closing all positions. Let's go. Okay, good. So we left with only Euro USD, now, and I'm anticipating gold buy. Okay, so I send this signal as well into the Telegram channel, so I'll quickly push into buy opportunity on gold. Okay, you can see, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8 positions right here. A break of this trend will lead to the more buying opportunity for us. Okay, right now we found our divergence, okay, based to the PDF that we used to trade, price pointing down. Okay, and when you come to indicator is pointing up. Okay, so this is a divergence for us, so we quickly expect entry criteria that are done exposed. For this one, when you buy the PDF, you will see it inside clearly, things that you have to see before you enter the market. Okay, so quickly I got the buying opportunity. This signal was sent to the Telegram channel as well. If you don't know, here is it, buy good. You can see it clearly. We are matching it in the Telegram channel. You can see only today we have gold sell, which full TP is being hit. GBP USD buy, Euro USD buy. Okay, full TP hit on gold, as you can see it here. Euro USD TP 1 hit, and then GBP USD we are still holding on it. Okay, but for GBP USD I didn't pick it on this account. Okay, because the gold at that time doesn't move much for me to enter, because this account I'm risking it. So when I trade it like that, any single move can take me out. That is why I was not able to pick the GBP USD, but I was able to pick the Euro USD at the time that I'm going to enter it. Gold has moved into massive profit, so that is why. So let's hold this position and see how this will go. This is the part 6 of the $100 to $10,000 challenge. Okay, we're almost getting to 5,000, almost half of it. Okay, within this 2 weeks. Okay, we started this 2 weeks ago. All right, let's see how it will go. So to end today's tutorial, I just want to close off this trade right here, because this is the reason behind. Gold has stuck around this resistance. Okay, you can see it has stuck at this resistance. Okay, when it comes to Euro USD, the next trade that we are holding, which is Euro USD, you can see the pullback seeing like a head and shoulder. Okay, so this may be like first shoulder, head, and then next shoulder for me here, which is forming some unnecessary noise in the market. So I just want to forget about this, as market has closed already. This is almost 6 almost 7, and we are entering the next day, so market is going to be stuck. As you know, in the Asian session, market doesn't move much for GBP and then the euro and the dollar pairs, except the JPY pairs. Okay, they move in the Asian session like that. So I'll close all these trades. and that is it. Good. So we have this balance to the next day. Okay, tomorrow I may not be paying much attention to chat because I'll be traveling to a place. So but if I see anything too, I'll drop it in the Telegram channel as well. So goodbye on this particular one. See you in the next tutorial on live trading section.